High five. High five, Dodger. High five. Good boy. High five again so the audience can see. High five. Don't bite my hand. High five.
High five.
High five. Good boy. Good boy. Say hello to the camera. There's the camera, Dodger.
This is Dodger.
No. See ya, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please like it. Oh, off he goes. If you want to comment, please comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.
We touch, I feel a rush. We clutch, it isn't much, but it's enough to make me wonder what's in store for us. It's lust, it's torturous. You must be a sorceress, cause you just did the impossible. Gain my trust. Don't play games, it'll be dangerous if you fuck me over. Cause if I get burnt, I'ma show you what it's like to hurt. Cause I've been